about you? It's Mikey here, and I just come to teach you bastards that Mikey's gonna make the CNC box after all with these hands, and you've all been taking the piss out of me lately, and I learned that from my Aussie mate, Plastic. I don't know quite what that means, but I've seen it in some movies sometimes, German ones, yeah. And anyway, I've just got back all the gear from the CNC lathe, and it's all pre-cut, and it's ready to go. So if you don't mind, I'm gonna put this box together for you. That bastard Sad's been on my ass, hammering me, so I've got the hammer here, and first of all, I want to show you the quality CNC here. These are the dovetail joins that I've been telling you about. See, beautifully finished, man, beautifully finished. And you see, look, sometimes you just gotta get a little bit more out of them. But as you can see, man, there's the dovetail joins. This is vintage timber, man. I got this out of it's the only thing that didn't burn in the fire, man. It's from the 60s, like me, man. So look, I'm gonna start this now, and it's gonna take a few minutes, but just let me put it together for you. Cause that fucking bastard Duck BBW, big black, he should be C instead of W, I don't know. But fuck you, Timmy, so here we go. So first of all, we've got this timber here, and it's been through the CNC lathe. And as you can tell, there's just there's a few little, just gotta make that nice and get rid of those. They are not actually nails, they're just part of the CNC finish. It's a rusted look. So, just hammer a few of these bastards down, and that fucking dog barking, I thought I fucking finished that off before. So, this is gonna be the front and the back of the box, and this here is the side of the box. So it's come back from the CNC lathe, so we just yeah, see, it's finished, man. See, so that's gonna be the sides. So just stick around, guys, because just gotta go and get some tools. And like any modern machining process, we're gonna use the air nailer, man. Fuck, these things are dangerous. Fucking had an accident with this last time. I don't know what to do. Anyway, I hope that bastard Trump doesn't come on and get on my ass again. I've got to hook this up here together, man, and no fucking hell's it work. Oh, fuck me, dead, Jesus Christ. Anyway, here it goes. So I'm gonna put this together. Oh shit. Mikey hasn't done any work for a while, so just be patient here. Yeah, look, just see the precisions that you can do that 1,000 times on the CNC. So first of all, we're gonna get this square, man. Hope you can see there, you bastards. Yeah. See, beautifully finished, beautifully finished. Here's the dovetail join. I'm gonna get that lined up here, and can you see that, guys? It's wonderful. You know, I was been dreaming about this while I've been out riding my Ducati, and yeah, I'm fucking sick of everyone, man. So I'm putting it all together. It's fucking square as a fucking dime, man. It's hip to be square. So I'm gonna shit, put this together now, and dovetails. They don't quite match up. There's that bastard on the fucking CNC lathe, man. Yeah, the dovetails don't quite match up there, but look, it'll be okay. You won't know the difference by the time it's finished, man. So I'm just going to put it together there, and oh, Jesus Christ, man. Anyway, that fucking Clinton was on the other day, and look, that's looking pretty good. It's looking I'm gonna have to pull out the bits, man, and it doesn't quite fucking work. What am I gonna do now is you're gonna see that I'm gonna get that. Just pull it down to the camera there and just make sure you can fit together. Oh, those dovetails, there they go. They're going in there now, and that's a lot better. Yeah, that's a lot better, man. That's a lot better fit. And Jesus, it's looking good there. So here we go, boys. Coming up nicely now, and the plan is that I'm going to send these over to Sard, flat pack, not finished. So this is going to be the instructional video on how to put these bastards together. Archie, try to PayPal you, man, but I need the money for this vintage timber. You see, there is the shape of the Watchbox to start off with now. I hope you guys can see this. So, now we're going to make the base for it, man, and beautiful here. More dovetailing, and yeah, I'm going to put that on, man. Beautiful dovetailing. Yeah, this Watchbox is going together nice, brother. Yeah. And yeah, doesn't quite fit, but it's looking good, man. And sometimes the dovetailing just doesn't quite go in, but you know, it's just skew nail it, man. Yeah, look, that's looking good, boys. You see, the CNC, the finish is beautiful, man. It's beautiful, and I'll get her done, boys. Get her done. And, oh, Jesus. Yeah, that's holding together nicely there. So I've got these legs for it, man, and CNC lathe, man, to come up with everything. And see, it's beautiful, beautiful how they match, man. Look, it's identical. This one's got the dovetail on it. And, oh, Mikey's going to town now, man. Yeah, and oh shit, that's it's not too bad. It's looking pretty good there. So there you can see there's the box, and there's a little lip on the front there. So very attractive design. So we're gonna get the lid now, and yep, there's the lid. So what we want to do is just some more CNC machining there, man, and just, oh shit, that's it. Fucking, I haven't got a saw, man. If anyone could PayPal me for a saw, I've sent so much fucking money to Archie. I've got a fucking saw, and fucking saw toe, man. Anyone seen my toe? It's like an ice cream scoop. So this is going to be the lid, and what we're going to do is a bit of a trick here, old Mikey. And let's see, we turn it over, and it's a beautiful finish. Beautiful finish there, and it's just lovely. So what we need now, we're basically the box is looking pretty good. So what we're going to do now is make a hinge. And I've got this beautiful vintage rag off my Pantera. I used to wipe the dipstick on the Pantera for that. So yeah, we're going to make a hinge, man. So we're going to tear that and fold it and fold it again. And there we go. Hang on now. Yeah. We're going to put it together now, and it's going to make a beautiful hinge, man. And The hinge does not need to be as strong as the box, so okay, that's beautiful, man. And I'm gonna make another hinge there. And, fuck, I don't know my own strength. And Jesus. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's looking good. I reckon even that bastard Sad could put these together, man. Works at the 7-Eleven. Should be able to put this together. Can you see that? Oh no, I'm gonna have to make one for the inside as well too. Yeah. This is a vintage material, man. I'd ever tell you about the time I loved that chicken that named Terror, and she loved it, man. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's beautiful, man. This box is just going together in seconds. It's a CNC, you see. You can make so much of them so many times, and yeah. Anyway. It's getting close to finishing, boys. I'll put another one in there. And there we got the hinge there now, man. So you can see that that's beautiful. So look there, we're just about, oh shit. It's still in the back, it's falling to bits. Yeah, that's good. Just need a little bit of a tap down here. It'll ride up with wear, man. Jesus, that's looking nice now. Fucking hell. Yeah, it's all good, man. Now, what we need to do here is need to put an insert in it, so put the watchers in. So we'll make this now, and here we go, boys. See, everything's pre-cut on the CNC. That's beautiful, man. And it looks like I lost that other bit of timber, man. Yeah, but that'll do. That's close enough. Yeah, that's looking good. And hot diggity. But that's good. It's good. All right, so this is going to be the Watchbox. So they're going to sit in there. I'll hold that up to the camera, and we're going to come over here and drill some holes in it, man. So steady as she goes. You know, this is my daddy's drill. He left it to me. You can't use it now. Oh Jesus! Oh, fucking wrists on to vintage timber, man. Vintage timber. Yeah. That's beautiful, man. So what happens there is, you can see we're going to drill another 6 holes in there. Just got to get that out. And, see, that's, you got to push it out, man. And, taking care of business, man. Yeah, that's it. That's how old Mikey rolls. Fuck, that hurt. Only 9 fingers left, man. It smells good, man. It's a CNC, Mikey's watch boxes, man. And, yep. you're still watching, man, this is fucking... brilliant, man. Yep. No tricks here. It's all made in front of your eyes. Yeah. All made in front of your eyes. Oh, Mikey knows what he's doing. That's it, man. So, yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So first of all, there's your box, and here's the insert, man. So we'll put it in there, and take a wristwatch, see, like that, and just sits in there, see, beautifully. Now you might say, hey, is that going to fall out, man, in transit? I don't think so. So, first of all, Mikey's going to nail this down and hope I can find it. Yeah. Go, Mikey. Yeah. There you go. Bastard salve. Yeah, that's it. Yep. It's looking good, boys. Looking good. Here's Mikey's Watchbox. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous, man. Now this is how we keep the watches. We break that, and what we do, man, is you're watching, guys. You're watching. See, we staple it in there, man, and put the next one down there. Yep. And then you get your watch, man. See, you get under there and it's safe for transport. See? Won't fall out. This is beautiful, man. This is finished. Now, there's a couple of little Mikey treats we got to first of all do. Now we've got to finish the box. So, what we want to do, man, is we've got some oil from the Pantera from our racing days, and that caught fire too. So, first of all, we're going to put a little bit of Mikey finish on it, and yeah, is it that fucking dog barking, man? I fucking thought I finished that thing, man. And Jesus, I know, I'm going to do something else before I do that. See here, not only can you put your watches in it, man, but you can also put your cufflinks in it. You see those? Where is it? Yeah. They're the bullets I used to put the last dog down, man. And see, it holds onto your cufflinks as well too. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. You ever seen anything as beautiful as that? Anyway, we're going to finish the box now, and first of all, you got to lube him up. Yep, lube him up, and you want to put a nice burnished finish on it. So, yeah, we're just going to put a little burn finish on that, man. You see that? Gorgeous, oh, steady on, Mikey. That's enough. We're going to put the finish on it, man. See this beautiful maple drumstick. I don't know whether you can read that. It says maple, and yeah, that was when I fucked that bitch on the stage. The fucking drummer loved it so much he gave me his drumsticks, man. So we're just going to get one of those, and oh, Mikey's will fix this, and yeah. gorgeous. So we'll put a lid on it now, and look at that, see? You ever seen anything as beautiful as that? There's a couple of other things we need to do before we finish, man. Everyone that shipped, Mikey's got a little bit of something there for you to put in for the trip, man, and flying well, high flying, man, so that's we'll just put that in for the trip, and yeah, got another little baggie there for you, and that'll keep you going, a couple of grams there, and something else here I've got from my old days, and Jesus, I've got to get a little bit of lube, man. And yeah, remember this from the sex shop days. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, beautiful. Anyway, there's Mikey's box. It's all finished, man. Yeah. Fuck you. Jesus.
And Danny, if you're watching this video here, I'd love to catch up. Sometimes I do go down to Melbourne. I know you're in Geelong. I'd love to make a video with you, or even just see you and have lunch with you. Danny Hayes, the $1 Million Bogan, highly recommend. I love him to death. Authentic, genuine. He's more successful than me. Well done, Danny. I'd love to catch up. So if you're watching this, Danny, please get in touch. My email's down in the description, ArchieLuxury72@gmail.com. Danny, I love your work. I love your work, Danny. And I love your Beamers. I love the Beamers. I don't know why you don't ride motorcycle Beamers. That's the best bikes in the world. Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and today guys, I'm very proud to introduce a new sponsor of the ArchieLuxury and the Paul Pluta channels. Who am I talking about? Watchshopping.com. Watchshopping.com. Check them out, guys. Jump online, check out watchshopping.com. These guys here have been in business since 2017. Worldwide shipping and distribution. Over 10,000 wristwatches in inventory. Stock in hand, and 90 plus different brands, new and pre-owned. Now, the good thing about watchshopping.com, trusted by over 4,000 reviews on Chrono24 and Trustpilot. Your one-stop shop to buy any watch your heart desires. Please, guys, check out watchshopping.com. I'm ArchieLuxury, and check out watchshopping.com. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the YouTube sensation, the Paul Pluta channel. Guys, I need you to help me out, guys. I can't survive on Google Ads alone. I need you to request a paid review. $50 US. Look down in the description. $50 US. I will review your collection. I'll tell you what I think of it, and I'll give you some pointers. The other thing is, guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a couple bucks a month, $1, $2, $5, whatever you want, and it keeps me going on YouTube because, guys, I'm in a niche. Nobody can make money out of the views I get. The views are crap because it's a small specialized area, and I don't talk about garbage for the sake of views. Guys, sponsor me on Patreon. Look down below, and I will see you in the next one.